Hi, I just want to come on here today, and if you're especially dealing with some sort of what I call motor mouth, so that you can't stop talking, and no matter what you do with it, you get really nervous and you get really anxious, I got a little bit of tip for you to help you out, especially if you're kind of meeting with somebody the first time and you're just blabbing and you just didn't give them an opportunity to speak. I think I got a trick for you, so stay tuned. Hi, if you don't know who I am, I'm Sindy V King. I'm a creator of Calling My King. I help transform women to create lasting love through Vedic astrology, neuroscience, and transactional analysis so that she becomes the queen of love. And today I really want to specifically talk to you, especially if you're kind of like a type of person, and it's not your fault, by the way. If you feel lots of anxiety, especially when you're meeting with somebody and you kind of blab on and on and on and on, and you don't let them the other person talk. So we all have been there, and sometimes silence feels a little bit awkward. So I want to give a little bit of tip, and it's a very short tip that you can do anywhere that you are in the situation, especially if you're feeling a little bit nervous. I also want you to let me know if it actually works for you down the comment below, and try it out, because if it works for you, great, inherit it, because I think it's such a great tip. So when you do get nervous, especially in a sitting situation, yes, our nerve is going to be kind of like fired up, right? So I'm just not going to try to get so sciencey in this video. But what it does with our nervous system, especially our vagus nerve system, which is the fight or flight, what you really want to do in a situation, especially if you're sitting in front of me, try it. I want you to try it with me. I want you to take your tongue and put it on the top of your roof, and I want you just to rub it on the top of your roof. And that is a sensation of soothing. Yeah, just rub the top of your mouth, which is the roof of your mouth. And when you rub that, I think it's going to create a lot of sensation and a lot of soothing as well. And it really helps you if you know tongue exercise. I think it's a really great position to have as well. The reason I have found this is if you know children who are really young or taller and they still suck on their thumb, and because they're actually engaging a nerve up on the top of your mouth, and that creates a soothing for them. I'm not saying if you're going to go meet somebody and start sucking on your thumb, I'm not saying that. I'm replacing the thumb as your tongue, and then you just rub the very top of the roof of your mouth. And that would create a good enough sensation and a soothing situation for yourself, especially if you're a type of person who consider yourself as a motor mouth and there's absolutely nothing talking, but you want to give an opportunity for the other person to speak. And really, if they're shy away, I want them to give them an opportunity to speak up. And I think you're going to get to know them a little bit more if you allow to give them space as well and time to kind of speak and tell a little bit about themselves. So I really hope this tip has helped you, because I know it has helped with many of my clients, and I'm really grateful to share this with you. So let me know how it goes. All right, thanks for watching. And I got a great video of other things that you might be interested as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.
Look, if you're serious about being fearless in love and ready to be treated like a queen, links is down below to book a time. I got over 100 videos on YouTube, and I post new videos every week. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You get notified when new videos goes live. If your friend is actually stuck in love, share and like my video. I do take requests on topics and answer your burning question about your relationship. So just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.